Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. If you haven't done so, please do subscribe. It will help my channel and my confidence a lot. Thank you. This is the first in a monthly series of driver education videos in Hong Kong, learning from others. In clip 1, there is a white Tesla Model 3 behind me that you can see in the rear view mirror. Keep an eye on the Model 3's lane discipline. It drives very close to the dividing white line, and this does not give confidence to other road users. We need to be extra careful of drivers like this with poor lane discipline. So what can we learn from this clip? This could be a new driver or a new EV owner who is just getting used to a new car. If we see drivers like this, we should give them plenty of space and hope they will improve their driving technique very soon. Clip 2 is an illegal drop-off by this white Model Y. The driver of the Model Y is actually looking for a place to stop, which is very difficult in this busy area. And as a result, he is driving very slowly. So what can we learn from this clip? First, we cannot stop at double yellow lines. Second, the driver has put his passenger in danger because she could be hit by moving vehicles as the lights change. And she will also have to climb over the fences to get to the pavement. In this clip, keep an eye on this Tesla Model S as we enter the Cross Harbour Tunnel. I am also driving a Tesla and I have engaged Autopilot, which is a lane assist software which is very safe and convenient to use. The Tesla Model S is drifting in his lane. Wow, look, it's getting quite close to the white line. He's using autopilot, so that's good. But that one. This Model S, have a look. So what can we learn from this clip? Tesla and other modern cars have a wonderful solution for drivers who tend to drift across the lane. It's called autopilot or lane assist. Please use it. It's always nice to see a Porsche. It's nice eye candy, but please don't be too distracted, because there may be other things happening on the road, as you will see in this clip. Although the road opens up into 2 lanes, this doesn't mean the oncoming taxi can cross over the dividing line, because I have chosen to take the outer lane to overtake the bus ahead of me on the inner lane. Next, I want to move back into the inside lane, but I am aware there are jaywalkers who are on the road. They are putting themselves in danger. We need to stay alert and be aware of other road users, and this includes pedestrians jaywalking. In this clip, even though the road markings clearly state keep clear, there are 2 taxis who ignore the road markings. So, what can we learn from this clip? Professional drivers are not very professional. Don't copy them. Follow the road rules and road markings. Speeding happens a lot in Hong Kong, but the risk can vary in different places and on other factors that are not always in your control. For example, as this Alphard overtakes me and moves back into the inner lane, there is rubbish on the road, so he shifts back slightly to the other lane. I noticed this too, but there's another car speeding and about to overtake me, so the risk to myself and the overtaking Aston Martin has increased due to the situation. The Aston Martin doesn't need to speed and overtake, but it is difficult to change these drivers' mindset. They simply must get in front. Here is another example of an unnecessary overtake by someone in a sports car and the uncontrollable risks and consequences that might occur. In this clip, keep an eye on the white Range Rover as he undertakes and cuts in front of the red taxi. I mean, why not just let the taxi pass and then move over? But no, we must get in front. That's the mindset of many Hong Kong drivers. They must get in front. Next, this came as a surprise. A delivery bike coming across in front of me out of nowhere. Once again, we need to be aware and not speed up or accelerate unnecessarily. In this clip, when changing lanes, try to do so smoothly and quickly. This is not an isolated incident on this road, as the next clip is on the exact same road, but it affects another driver, as you will see. So we are on the same road a week later, and the car ahead of me actually swerves slightly to the left in order to avoid the incomplete lane changer. Once again, when changing lanes, try to do so smoothly and quickly so that you don't hinder any vehicles behind you. I hope you enjoyed these clips. I would love to hear your comments, so please feel free to type your comments below. I have many more video clips taken from my dashcam. I will make regular uploads of these driver education videos so that we may all learn something constructive. Thanks for watching and stay safe.